Looking for a reliable memory card that keeps up with your creative projects? The SanDisk Extreme PRO offers blazing fast offload speeds of up to 200 megabytes per second thanks to SanDisk QuickFlow technology. Capture stunning 4K ultra high definition videos and fast burst shots effortlessly. Designed for professional use, it supports a Speed Class 3 and Video Speed Class 30 for uninterrupted recording. Pair it with the SanDisk Professional Pro Reader SD and Microst cards for maximum performance. Find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking to boost your computer's cooling? Discover the Arctic Mice Ambient 12 Thermal Paste. It's made with carbon microparticles for exceptional thermal conductivity, ensuring your EPU and graphics cards stay cool and perform at their best. Safe to use with no electrical conductivity, it's perfect for beginners and experts alike. Plus, it lasts at least 8 years without losing its effectiveness. Easy to apply and reliable, Arctic MX4 is the cooling solution you can trust. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking to keep your printer stocked with vibrant, reliable ink? The Epson 405 ink model number C13T05G64010 is the perfect choice for your workforce printers such as the WF 7840DTWF, 7830DTWF and others in the series. Light and easy to handle, this ink delivers crisp colors and sharp texts every time. Don't miss out. Upgrade your printing experience today. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking for a reliable and lightning-fast memory card? Check out the SanDisk Extreme Secure Digital Extended Capacity Card. This incredible card offers offload speeds of up to 180 megabytes per second, making file transfer quick and effortless. It is perfect for recording 4024.08K ultra high definition video and burst photography. Built to withstand tough conditions, it is temperature-proof, waterproof, shockproof, and X-ray proof. You'll find the link in the description and in the pinned comment. Are you ready to power up your gaming or creative rig? Meet the ML power supply designed for high performance and efficiency. With an 80% plus gold certification, it saves energy and keeps your system cool. Its fully modular design with flat black cables keeps your setup tied in, enhances airflow, supporting PCIe 5.0G Plus with up to 450 watts of power and featuring a compact size. This power supply is built to last with a 7-year warranty. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking for a reliable and efficient power supply for your gaming or creative setup? The CORSAIR RM750x fully modular power supply offers up to 91% efficiency, reducing power consumption and keeping your system cool and quiet. It is fully compliant with the TEXC 3.1 standard from Intel, supporting the latest PCIe 5.1 graphics cards. With embossed, easy-to-manage cables and native 2x6 pin connectors, installation is simple and stylish. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking for a simple way to enjoy and burn your favorite discs? Meet the Rioddas external CD Drive, a sleek and trendy gadget designed for easy use. Just plug it into your USB port. No external driver needed, and it's ready to go. With fast data transfer speeds up to 5 gigabits per second and compatibility with all major systems, it's perfect for watching movies, burning music, and more. The embedded cable design means no worries about losing any parts. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment.